Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today we're going to take this delicious papaya and make it into an even more delicious dessert. Make it into an ice cream without using any heavy cream or milk or dairy, and trust me, it's still gonna be delicious. So let's go. We're going to start out with a big papaya. We're going to cut right into it, and then we're going to wait. It looks beautiful. Alright, so now we're going to scrape out all of the seeds. We're not using the seeds today. We're going to scoop out as many scoops as we can get. Put it on a flat baking tray or any tray that you have. And we're going to put both the skin and the fruit in the freezer. So please do not throw away the skin. We need to save the skin. And then we're going to add a little banana. I had a little bananas in the house, and I decided to say, you know what, let's throw it in. When it comes to texture, the papaya and the bananas team up together and they create this creamy goodness because they do not have much fibers as other fruits would have. And then the taste profile, the papaya completely balance out that banana-y taste. So anybody who don't love the banana-y taste, this is perfect. Go ahead now and slap this in the freezer as well. Just take like 2 ounces of water, add like 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix it together. We're creating like a simple syrup that we're not going to cook and reduce. Now, once everything is frozen, we're going to go ahead and just crack it up a little bit. By the way, I changed the kitchen from my kitchen to my grandma's kitchen, so you know things kind of look a little bit different, which is okay. Yeah, you really need to get in there and break up all of those frozen papaya before putting it into the food processor. Now, seeing as how we place it on a flat baking tray, it freezes really quickly. And we're going to add in our half of the ingredients, and then we're going to go for our sugar juice. And then we add a little bit of our sugar juice, or sugar and water, or a simple syrup. And you're not going to add a whole lot of this. We just add a little bit to get the food processor going, because it needs a little bit of liquid to go. And we're going to add a little bit of coconut rum. This adds with taste and also with texture. It somewhat prevents your ice cream from freezing hard. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Alright, so we did the first batch of the papaya ice cream, and it is looking amazing. I'm just going to scoop this out a little bit and store it in our papaya containers. And then I'm going to add in the rest of the frozen papayas and frozen bananas. I didn't want to overload the food processor, so I did this in 2 batches. And then now I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to scoop out about the first batch and add it to the second batch, and just give it a couple more spins in the food processor, that everything is balanced, the same taste through the consistency is going to be same for all of this. And then now I just scoop it all out into my papaya skins. Woof! And I tell you, this looks so beautiful. Swirl around, then I cover, slap this in the not in the refrigerator, in the freezer, and let it just sit there until you're ready to eat it, you're ready to serve. Now, if the ice cream is frozen solid hard, you probably have to take it out of the freezer and let it sit on the counter for around 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. You watch before you can go ahead and serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. One love.